how should enterprises think about their AI security strategy? And maybe what are the most impactful mental models that you use?
Certainly. So before we get into this, I think it's always important to start with why we do what we do. And in the context of AI, like our why is that we believe that the benefits of AI are profound, but so are the risks. And we therefore have a kind of like moral obligation to help our customers capture the power of AI, but do so safely and securely, right? So that's where we're always coming from when we have these kind of conversations. And the way that we think about this is that you can break enterprise AI security down into basically two pillars. The first is I need to think about how to secure my employee use of generative AI SaaS apps like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Grammarly. That's the first part. And the second piece is how do I go about securing the AI apps, models, and agents that I'm running in my own cloud environment? That could be AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, on-prem, or some other variation of those. So those are the two things that matter. What are my employees doing? How can I control that and have deep visibility into it? And the other piece is how do I secure the AI apps, models, and agents that I run in my own cloud environment? And somewhere between 10 and 30% of everything they send is sensitive, right? That's a massive problem. And so that's why, we spend a lot of time thinking about it.